Hello everyone, welcome to Achievers Spotlight. As you know, the Achievers Spotlight puts the spotlight on entrepreneurs who are on their way up, blazing a trail and inspiring others to follow in their footsteps. Today with us we have Ankit Valecha, who's got his finger in many pies, and I'm sure you'll be delighted to know what are all the activities that he's doing. Special focus of today's discussion will be a very yummy startup that he's making. So without further ado, over to you, Ankit. Please introduce yourself, give a little background for our viewers.
Hello everyone, I am Ankit Valecha this side. First of all, thank you Param for having me over and giving me this opportunity to talk to you and all the viewers through your medium. I completed my schooling from DPS RK in the year 2000. After that, I did my BTech from Bharatiya Vidyapeeth College of Engineering, Delhi, IP University. After that, I did my MBA from Ford School of Management. I worked in iFlex Solutions I started my career as a programmer in iFlex Solutions, Bangalore. My first task I still remember was was working on a platform. I don't even recall it properly. It was I had to put files on the computers to a blob and then convert it to to an application where everybody calls it. The total duration of my project was about 5 months. I completed it in 2.5 months, sir. Okay. Uske baad 2.5 mahine mein, in 2.5 months I was vacant. Tab realization hui ki I can't waste myself, sitting as working for somebody else, and I came back and I joined family business. We've been into cosmetics fair for the last 30 years. We always wanted to venture out and get into the F&B sphere because the lines are pretty similar, and at the same time I feel F&B is one industry. Cosmetic में क्या होता है sir? जैसे I've made a product. I give you that product. Until and unless you apply that product on you, there are 4 or 5 applications. You will not be able to, give me a proper critical response of the product, as in you liked it or you did not like it. So the response time or of the quality and everything, or the appreciation or negativity, all the reviews, it takes 4 or 5 applications. But when you talk about F&B, the first bite you take of the product, just in looking in your eyes, we can figure out ki Pappu pass hua hai ya fail hua hai. That is the beauty of F&B as a line. So we always wanted to venture into F&B. A couple of years ago, this idea came to my younger brother. The idea of, standardizing a very old product, which all of us know, which all of us have grown up eating, our good old samosas.
Wow.
Sir, हमारे घर के आसपास हर गली में एक हलवाई के पास समोसे मिलते हैं. Every locality has a favorite samosa guy to go to.
Yes.
So, the biggest challenge or the biggest opportunity which we saw, the biggest problem which we did a review, we did a research. We figured out samosa खाने में सर लोगों को 2 problems आती थी. एक, उनको ये लगता था यार पता है ये अनहेल्दी है, बहुत फैटनिंग है, ऑयल से भरा हुआ है. That was one issue. And second, लोग कहते थे यार जिस हलवाई से मैं बना रहा हूँ पता नहीं उसने कितना पुराना ऑयल यूज किया है, उसने कब बनाया था, is it new or not, what kind of conditions he's making the samosa in, are they hygienic, are they not unhygienic, उसके hands dirty हैं या नहीं हैं. Those are the 2 biggest challenges which people used to which we came across when we were doing a market research.
Yes.
So we started out with Samiosa, and Samiosa is all about, is first of all was based on this idea to remove those challenges and give a new avatar to samosas. Herein, we allow customers to come to our store and get their samosas customized live in front of themselves.
Wow, customized samosas.
Yes, sir. Our concept is make your own samosa, wherein a guest or a customer who comes to our store, first thing he has an option to choose the base of the samosa.
Okay.
मार्केट में अभी आप जाएंगे सर, आपको सिर्फ आटे का समोसा मिलेगा,
Yes.
मैदे का मिलेगा, sorry. Now we've got all three kinds of samosas. You can choose the dough. You can have maida, you can have whole wheat, wheat or multigrain as the dough of the samosa.
Wow.
Second, we give an opportunity to the customers to choose the filling they want in the samosa. Right from good old aloo ka samosa, we've got fillings based out of paneer, we've got fillings based out of chicken, we've got fillings based out of cheese, spinach, mixed vegetables, and what all and what not. We've got 13 types of fillings which you can choose from right now.
Wow.
Thank you. And third, the customer can get the samosa cooking method also customized. Either you get your samosa fried like the good old desi version, or you get it baked, which is 100% oil free. And mind you, sir, we've done the surveys, we've done the research, we've done the lab testing. Our fried samosas and baked samosas, comparison between our products only, our baked samosas are 85% less fattening than the fried ones.
Fantastic.
So herein we offer the healthier version of the samosas. We are cooking the samosas after we receive order from the guest who's coming to the store. So the product is being made live, is being cooked live. Third, sir, there's more. We've also fused samosas in to suit various taste palettes of every guest who's coming in. We've got samosas based out of samosa in a roll. We call it rapiosa. We have samosa. We have a fusion of samosas and pizzas. We call it pizziosa. We've got samosa in a burger. Sir, आप McD's जाके burger खाते हो.
Yeah.
Now we've introduced samyosur. Our version of burgers in a samosa in a burger. We call it samyosur. Then we have fusion of samosas with nachos. We call it nachiosa. We've got fusion of samosas and fries. We call it fryosa. Now, for all those people who have very sweet tooth, we have desserts also out of samosas. We have a chocolate samosa. We have an apple pie samosa. We also have a red velvet samosa. We serve all these samosas with ice cream, and chocolate samosa comes with a chocolate sauce topping. Apple pie samosa comes with a topping of maple syrup. That's how it is. So we've tried to, and we are constantly innovating. We're right now working on this concept called Maggi-osa, fusion of Maggi and samosa. Sir, Maggi सब खाते हैं. समोसे के साथ Maggi खिला देंगे आपको.
Ankit, you got my mouth watering, and I'm sure everybody who's hearing it wants to dig their fingers into your samosas. Where can we get these samosas from, and if they are available pan India, or when they are going to be available?
Sir, we now coming to this, I've just explained the concept. Coming to our journey, we got this idea a couple of years ago. So it took us 2 years to formulate, to do all the R&D, all the research, all the product development and everything. It took about 2 years and launch it. We launched our first store in October 2019.
Okay.
In those busy streets of Sadr Bazaar, Delhi 6 Sadr Bazaar. पहला स्टोर हमारा वही है सर. जहाँ पे हमारा पहला स्टोर है वहीं पर we have a central kitchen capacity installed. Our capacity we can cater to 50 outlets right now. Our first store is in Sadr Bazaar. We've opened our second store in Netaji Subhash Place of Delhi, Pitampura. And our third outlet is in Hudson Lane, just next to the Delhi University North Campus. We've also tied up with we're coming to Gurgaon very soon. आपके गुड़गांव आ रहे हैं बहुत जल्दी सर. We've tied up. We're coming soon. We've tied up a space in Gurgaon in Cyber City, and rest is work in progress, sir. Looking for people who believe in the concept the way we do, to partner us, join us, and we can spread the samyosas wings further.
Fantastic.
So,
sounds like a fantastic opportunity. So anybody out there who loves samosas and is fascinated by the variety that Ankit is offering, please feel free to get in touch with him. Click on the link below, call him. But please know this, that because Ankit is very, very busy with setting up his startup right now, send him a message first and then call him if he hasn't called you back already by then. So feel free to get in touch if you want to open up a franchise anywhere in India. Ankit, are you open to any franchise anywhere in India?
Sir, we shall be opening up, but our idea is very simple. We want to take things step by step. First of all, we want to consolidate ourselves in Delhi NCR region, have a business model ready of 25, 27 outlets, and then replicate that model in all the cities all across. We are open to each and every business opportunity, but we want to take things step by step, sir. आगा दौड़ पीछा छोड़ नहीं करना चाहते, sir. We want to be very, we've created a plan. We want to stick to it.
Slow and steady wins the race.
Hanji?
Slow and steady wins the race.
No, sir. Our concept is not slow. We just want to, we want to be very. I won't say slow. Right word is we would want to consolidate at one area which we've started and then take it forward. It will be easier to do that.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what we feel.
Okay.
So we are open to all the states also, but at a later phase, basically.
Sure. So in this journey towards reaching the point where you are in right now with the Samyosa, are there any one or two mistakes that are at the top of your mind which, given a chance to start all over again, you would like to avoid?
Mistakes.
Anything you would like to do differently?
Sir, not really. I would say, as of now, which I can think of, mistakes. I would not say there are too many that we've made as of now. We've been very slow and steady in our space. But yeah, what I feel is, we should have been a little more given more time for the training which we did to the staff. We could have dedicated a little more time, because initially when we opened the store, a couple of days there were a few here and there goof ups when it came to the SOPs. So that's the only sphere which I feel there was a mistake. Rest we've followed the book to the T, I think. That's what I feel, and we've been getting good reviews from all across. Whoever has come and eaten our samosas, they've given us good reviews, and looking and wanting to serve many more people who come to our store. Our idea is very simple, sir. We have to go to the customer. Our product is not one ki aap specially samosa khane nahi jayenge, sir. Samosa is an impulse buying product. Suppose you are in a mall, or you're in a market, or you are at a high street, or maybe you're in a school or in a hospital or in a college or wherever. If you see a shop selling samosa there, bang, then impulse aata hai, chal yaar samosa kha le.
Yes.
So our concept is as such, we have to reach out to the customers. We have to be available. We have to be omnipresent. We have to be present jahan par customer jata hai. So we are looking to spread wings. Delhi ही अपने आप में सर इतना बड़ा है कि दिल्ली में ही 50 आउटलेट खुल जाएं, पता नहीं चलेंगे कहाँ खुले. Because every locality, if you look at it, जैसे if you talk about Gurgaon where you're staying, I can bet sir where you're staying, उसके 1 किलोमीटर के vicinity में 10 से 15 समोसा बनाने वाले लोग होंगे, at least.
Yes.
So the scope is enormous. What we've done is, sir, we've taken a we've taken a product which is good old, eaten by everybody, available in abundance in our country, but not standardized. So what we are trying to do here is, we are trying to standardize a product which is known to everybody, which is liked by everybody, which is eaten by everybody. लोग criticize भी करते हैं सर समोसे को, फिर भी खाते हैं. That is the strength of the product. So we are trying to standardize it. We are trying to give this confidence to the people कि समोसा खाना guilt free भी हो सकता है.
Absolutely. I think the people who are apprehensive about samosas are concerned about the oil and the oily product going into their system. But with the baked option that you have, I think you're killing that objection completely.
Sir, we are the first ones to introduce baked samosas in the market. We're the first ones to introduce those. Normally, abhi aap market mein jayenge, I'm not taking any names. There are people who are making baked samosas, but their baked samosas are more on the lines of puff. उनकी लाइंस पे उन्होंने समोसे की शेप में दे दिया पफ को. That's what they call as baked samosas. But our samosas are basically baked samosas. Rest, when you'll try it, sir, you'll figure out. Just by looking at the product, आपको दिखेगा oil नहीं है. मैं एड्रेस बताओ सर, कब भेजना है और कहाँ भेजना है. Let me send it across.
So that reminds me, in this times of the COVID crisis, are you having any plans to start home delivery of samosas? I'm sure there'll be plenty of takers.
Sir, actually, I would love to do that. The only issue is doing a home delivery adds on to a courier charge. Sir, a samosa, a product with our samosas start at a price of 20 rupees a piece. That's what it starts from. So 20 rupees का एक piece, sir, अगर मैं suppose Delhi से अगर मैं आपका गुड़गांव courier करना चाहूँगा, तो courier charge would be about 60 rupees. So that 20 rupees thing would come to your place at 80 rupees, which would be a little difficult on the pockets of the customer. So that is the biggest challenge which we are facing right now. We are regularly having meetings with various channel partners, various courier partners to come and strike a deal with them so that we can transport and deliver samosas to your sweet homes. This is the new challenge which we have, and we are trying to address it by meeting people every day and figuring out how it can be done.
Nice.
Very soon, sir, you will hear good news from us. Very soon we'll start.
I'm sure. Once you have about 50-60 outlets just in Delhi NCR, I don't think home delivery will be a problem at all.
Sir, all our stores, NSP, Hudson Lane, and Sadar Bazaar, all the online partners like Swiggy, Zomato, they're all available there. Paytm is coming up with its delivery channel. It's available. Amazon is starting its delivery channel. So from the store, deliveries are right now also available. But what we are trying to figure out is to deliver directly from the central kitchen to the customer's places. For that, we are trying to, we are in talks, maybe Delivery or anybody, any of these, good delivery partners we can partner with them to deliver goods to each and every guest in their households. Because what is happening, sir, post-COVID, what has happened, people want things to be delivered to their house. They feel more safe. And we have to address that, sir. That is how it is. That is how the business is going to run the next decade. So we also have to change our strategy accordingly. Working on it. Very soon you'll hear good news from it.
There are a couple of startups in the hyperlocal delivery space which I know of. I can forward their numbers to you and connect both of you. If it helps mutually, why not?
Sure, sir. Sure. Please.
So as we come towards the end of our discussion, would you like to suggest any tips for youngsters or for salaried employees who are planning to start a venture on their own? Maybe some 2 or 3 tips of.
So I feel it's been about 16 years I've been working. What I have realized, and always been, I've been lucky that always I've been into the, B2C sphere. What I have realized, positioning of the product is very important. You need to be very clear in terms of your vision, who your target customer is, and how do you want to approach it. So you have to start your brand positioning, your product positioning from the very outset.
Okay.
Your communication has to be very clear from the day one till the day end. So I feel the most important P for any new product launch, for any new startup, should be positioning. How you see yourself 5 years down the line.
Thank you so much.
I would like to share. That idea has to be very clear in your mind, sir.
Okay.
And you should never get dwindled by the opportunities that come in your way from the plan you've made. That's what I feel, because once you start working, हल्का सा भी सर सक्सेस आता है, what happens is लोग इधर से भी बुलाते हैं, उधर से भी बुलाते हैं, lots of offers you get on your way, But the
Yeah.
plan which you've made, I feel you should stick to it. That is the key to success. That is what I feel. You should never lose your basic plan which you take, and positioning is the most important thing, I feel.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, Ankit. It's been a pleasure having you here with us today. And I wish
Thank you for the
all the
opportunity.
success. I wish you all the success for a fast growth. And let's hope 2021 sees you with a pan-India presence.
Thank you so much, sir. Waiting for you to come and try our samosas.